What's up, everyone? It's another ME performance. We have a customer here who wants to change their door handles on this 2008 Cobalt. Um, for those of you who do own a Cobalt, pretty much these things pretty much break. Obviously, since they use cheap material like plastic. Let's see, let me show you. Get out that light. Pretty much, you can tell it's not really like a bad break, but see right there, that little plastic. What breaks? So if you look at a newer one, you can see this is like a newer one. So that little corner on the left always breaks because it's plastic. So basically, we're gonna show you how to replace it. So pretty much this is plastic. These handles always break, especially like you go hard, but realizing like pulling on the door handle, that one's we just replaced earlier. But pretty much these break, especially if you own one. I'm pretty sure you know like they do break. So my suggestion, I guess, was to do, since we're gonna try to put like gasket maker on this. Obviously, this doesn't necessarily mean it's gonna work. We're just gonna do it for the customer, see if it helps. Should help. I mean, pretty much. Maybe we could have used the old one and do the same thing. But since the customer got the new ones, we're gonna go in and put them on. But like as I was saying, it seems like it's not really broken. Right now, we're gonna show you a little metal rod that goes in here that has a string for you to pull this. When you pull this, obviously it pulls it in. But we're gonna show you how to take it off. For those of you who know, you need to do this. Pretty simple process. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver, this, or even this, whatever you got. Nothing big, fancy, or anything. Maybe a little clip like that, and that's pretty much about it. I mean, so you're curious, this job literally could just take you like 5 minutes, most 20, depending on the experience or how free you are, I guess. So yeah, let's get started, and we're gonna show you like some ideas maybe you could try. Like our idea is gonna be using this gasket maker here. You'll see what we're trying to do with that. And yeah, let's get on with this video. First thing, you open your door and pretty much just remove that little clip there. And just pull it towards you. There you go. So you see that screw right there? As soon as you get that screw, then you start pulling that off. And I probably didn't say this earlier, but this pretty much works for any Cobalt. Well, when they came out, like what, 2004 to 2011 or whatever. So as long as if it's 2-door, 4-door, as long as like this one, the process is the same. Screw, put it in there. You can just pull it with your hand. This. There you go. And that's it. And the next thing, you see? So you can see that. It's pretty much it's loose. So in order to get to that, you have this little plastic black thing here. So you just push this to your right or outwards. I have to put this phone down and do this. Probably not. I could do this here. There you go. See? So pretty much. So this one broke on there. So pretty much if you have like maybe something like plastic, something you can weld, you can probably do JB weld, put that thing on if it's still there. Or the here's the part number for this is the front right. For those of you interested in getting like these black handles, they were like I'm not missing. I think the client said it was like $17 each on Amazon or something like that. You can also find eBay, Rock Auto. This is the left side. Pretty much just concludes the video. For those of you that care how long this takes, it's normally like at least for me, it'd take like 10 minutes. If it wasn't for this recording this video, like no BS, this would have been 10 minutes. I know the video's probably be like 18-20 minutes. But yeah, anybody can do this. Just take your time and whatnot. It's pretty simple, straightforward. Obviously this adding the gasket maker is not something you need to do. We're just trying it customer because I mean these snowmobile always break, so hopefully it gives it a little more support, or if that little plastic thing does break, that handle won't necessarily just come off like it was right now. If whoever's watched this, have a better input, welcome to put it on there. Help out the others. Help me out too. Next time I do something better. But yeah, if you like the video, give likes, subscribe, and yeah, have a great one. Thanks for watching.